All right, let's go over the triads. So the absolute value of 7 means just find the positive version of 7. So this is just 7. The positive version, and this is a 3 on the bottom, I apologize. So absolute value of -5/3. So we just want the positive version of that. So we just want 5/3. That kind of looks like a 6, so let me fix that. All right, so the positive version of -2.6 is positive 2.6, or 2 6/10 is how we also say that. So now we're going to continue on to example 3. And so let's take a look at what it's asking. It says compare the rational numbers. And when we compare, we're using these comparison symbols review. So let's look at that first. So this is a less than sign. So that means that the number is less than, the number to the left is less than the number to the right. We have the greater than sign, which means the number to the left is bigger than the one to the right. We have a less than or equal to sign, so the number to the left is going to be smaller or equal to the number on the right. Greater than or equal to means the number on the left is bigger or equal to the number on the right. And then we have the equal to sign, and that just means the two numbers are the same. All right, so it says compare the absolute value of -2.5 and the absolute value of 3.5. So let's look at that. So from 0, the absolute value of 2.5 is just 2.5. We want the positive version of that. And the absolute value of 3.5 is just 3.5 because it's already positive. So when we plot this on a number line, 2.5, these are going by halves, by the way. And so 2.5 means we're going to go to the 2, and then we're going to go one more half. So here is 2.5. And then 3.5, or yeah, 3 halves means that we're going 3 of the halves sections. So we start at 0, and we go 1, 2, 3. Let me put that in orange, that way you can see it. So this is 3 halves. You can check this by doing 3 divided by 2. And so when we do 3 divided by 2, we get 1.5. So we have 1 and then half. So it's 1.5 is a way to check that. So which one's bigger? 2.5 is bigger than 3 halves. So since 2.5 is on the right and that's bigger than 3 halves, we're going to use that greater than symbol. So the absolute value of -2.5 is bigger than the absolute value of 3 halves. So now you are going to do the triads on your own.